this video. I got to give a huge shout out to the owner, Nick, here. I don't know if he wants to be on camera, but obviously this is his C8. And when I first met him, and we met up in the Tanger parking lot, and his first impression was really good. Some dudes pulled up, dude and his son pulled up, and he immediately was like, "Hey, come check it out." Sitting and everything. His wife got in, opened the I don't even know what you call it, engine bay, and started revving it up for him. I was like, we're at a car show in a parking lot, pretty much is what it's like. But then he unexpectedly, while I was shooting, he was like, "Hey, you want to drive?" And I was like, well, yeah, I guess. So I did a POV video that same day we shot it, and then it turned out like crap. So I asked him if he could do it again. He was like, "Yeah, sure." So I was like, crap. I wish everybody in the car community could be like this guy. But I mean, not like let me drive the cars, but you know what I mean. Anyways, you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, even for me, I'm short. Ooh, yeah. Let's go into your position. Does it automatically know when to do it? You can leave it on?
Program it. It gives you 1,000 settings or 1,000 locations. So it reads it off so when you get to a bump, you push the lift, and then it'll say, "Do you want to remember this place?"
Oh, that's cool as hell.
Then all of a sudden it was.
Oh, freaking cop, whatever. It's a perfect day to have it. This way. Okay, he's going that way. Cool beans. Yeah, it was. I mean, there was nothing.
Not what it was today.
No, there was literally nothing out.
Even in 2012, when I was down there before.
Holy crap. It's like you hit a certain gear and it just like starts to really want to go.
Yep.
It's faster than I remember.
Looks bad, that's it.
Yeah, that feels so good. It's so smooth too.
Yeah. It plants it though, that's the great thing.
Yeah. It's not no drama. Main thing is what I've heard is just nasty on the track. Man, this makes you really want to get a because I was telling you I'm either going to get a daily in like a Camaro or something. Yeah. My friend was talking to me today. He was like, "Why don't you just get like a Golf R so you don't have to get a daily, and it's 4-wheel drive and it's something you can mod." I'm like, "Yeah, but that's not like, you know, it's not like something you see on the road and it's just like, oh my god, look at that." And
yeah.
I mean, if you know, but
yeah, they're quick.
Yeah, they're quick, but I want something that's gonna be loud and
you don't get the muscle.
Yeah, and no muscle. Yeah, muscle and drama, the X factor and all that stuff. Yeah. But now I'm like back and forth between that, maybe getting a motorcycle. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. Does it open up more in track mode, or is the valves the same in sport and track?
They're about the same.
Okay. nice, man.
You know, I like it. I still love the styling of it. But then I was like,
Yeah, this is
But it was one of those things. It's like once you get in it, you're like, oh yeah, this is awesome. And then it's
yeah, so I'll probably stand out here somewhere and let you do a few flybys.
come on in. Oh.